We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will answer the question that is, what is Soundcheck Apple Music? So the Soundcheck feature in the Apple Music is created with an intent to normalize the volume level of your audio, so different Apple Music songs may or may not have various volumes. So once enabled, the Soundcheck feature normalizes the volumes between all the tracks that you're listening to, so your sound volume stays consistent and you will not have any spikes or drops in the volume from one song to another. Now I will also show how you can enable or disable this feature. So you will need to go into your phone's or iPhone settings. Here find and enter the music category or music page. And here is your sound check option. That's how you enable it. That's how you switch it off if you do not enjoy using it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.